So today I'm over in the lovely bedroom community of Somerset, Massachusetts. The customer called, wants to get the house, the front steps. He's got a deck in the back he wants cleaned and a little shed. He calls it the barn. He keeps his landscape and stuff in there and everything. So I started out, I used a foam cannon and I used some Austin's Pool Tech Shark from Ocean State Job Lot and I used Dawn as a surfactant. It makes good foam. And they say some people say not to use it, and I've seen articles that said it's okay to use. Whatever, you have to make up your own decision. I just like using it. It makes a good foam. Sometimes I just use just Dawn with no Pool Shark, but I want to get this one going. On the left side had a lot of organic growth, like little dots, and they were kind of stubborn. I hit it with the downstream injector too. You can see here I'm using my Surface Max Pro Turbo nozzle. It's good up to like 5,000 psi. My wash is 4,000, so it's fine for mine. And then I clean the Mother Mary in the bathtub. And it's funny, the owner came out and he was talking to his girlfriend. She said, "Oh, Pete will probably clean the Mother Mary," kidding. And he came out and he's like, "Oh, you cleaned it?" He started laughing. He's like, "Oh, I gotta go back in and call my girlfriend and tell her." They were laughing. They thought it was funny, but I tried to throw in some extras, and it had I had like green algae on it and stuff. So just to be respectful, I'm religious to a point, so I like to see it clean. And then here I just used the same thing, Austin's Pool Tech Shark. I just loaded this side up, let it sit for a while. I did some of like there's like a little pad in the back, and I did the shed. Oh, I was joking around this. I like to when it's sped up, I think it's funny. I do like little goofy stuff like this. I do like a time lapse. Anyway, hit this side and then just rinsed it down. This side wasn't too bad. There was a few spots and some bird droppings on it, but not very much. The front was a little rough on the left side. It's right by it's like a little wooded area and like a marshy area on the back, so that's done. And that's the job. Nice and clean. And Mother Mary. I said a Hail Mary while I was washing Mother Mary. But yeah, while I was packing up, the neighbors were pulling by, and it just started raining right after this too. I lucked out. You can see it's just starting to come down.
Hey, you like the job I did?
That's the owner. I was joking around with him. But one of the neighbors pulled up, like, "Hey, you got a business card?" And they were asking me some questions. They said for next year, but obviously they saw how nice this job came out. So yeah, I talked to the owner here. He'll give me a good reference. Oh, nice and clean.